Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I love that fresh scent when my man just gets out of the shower, but he used to be using products that were filled with a bunch of crap that probably shouldn't be put on his body. We found these Dr. Squatch products that have been amazing. This is the Fresh Falls shampoo and conditioner duo. The best part about these is the awesome manly scent. So not only is he using something that's great for his hair, it smells amazing and manly, so he likes it too. I care a lot about what I put on my body, so I really wanted to find something for my husband that would be good, but also really work, because let's face it, guys need the extra help. So there's jojoba oil, oat protein, shea butter, and avocado oil. So his hair is silky smooth and his scalp is very healthy also. They come with doctor's notes on the back that tell you how to use them specifically. The fact that these Fresh Falls shampoo and conditioners are made with no harmful ingredients is a super duper great selling point for me, and the manly scent is a must-have for my husband. But that's just our point of view.